Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Misty Paul with Basics First Chiropractic. Thank you for joining me today for Wellness on Wednesday. I want to talk to you today. I'm in the massage room at Basics First Chiropractic, and I want to share with you a little bit of information about our newest therapy that we've introduced. It's called the Softwave Therapy, or also known as the stem cell machine. So I want to just be in here and show you exactly what the machine looks like. It has a little bit of the same look as an ultrasound head. So this is actually the head that we treat the patient with. So soft wave therapy is really part of regenerative medicine. In other words, the three things that it does, this therapy increases circulation, it decreases the chemicals that actually cause pain, and best of all, it is FDA cleared for actually producing stem cells in the region. As we know, stem cells are undifferentiated cells. They can become all different types of cells, and when we have production of these, actual repair happens. So when would we use this? Well, for those of you who are familiar with Basics First Chiropractic, you know that we already have electric muscle stim. When you come in, a lot of our patients are being put on electric muscle stim to help with pain and relieve muscle spasms. We also have ultrasound. We have high-powered laser. So what happens is when you look at a therapy such as electric muscle stim, it's great for superficial use. As we put those electric stim pads on you, it's penetrating about this far down into the muscle, and it's great to help relieve acute conditions. We also have ultrasound. Ultrasound just works in a little bit of a different fashion. Ultrasound, we're sending sound waves in instead of electric muscle stim, where we're sending electric microcurrent into you. So sound waves help penetrate the muscle tissue, and that helps reduce pain, inflammation from an acute injury. Again, the penetration isn't very deep. Laser, our high-powered laser goes in a little bit deeper into the muscle tissue. It's a little bit better for those chronic conditions that are not that you've been experiencing over maybe 90 days time. So enter the soft wave therapy. When I describe to you the amount of how deep the therapy is going, when we talk about electric muscle stim, when we talk about ultrasound, and then with laser goes in a little bit deeper. Well, when we have a chronic condition where we've been experiencing pain for years even, we have scar tissue buildup, and that scar tissue has come to deteriorate muscle fibers, and it's quite deep when we're talking about the low back or the shoulder area or the neck or any joint. So soft wave therapy, the depth of penetration that we're able to get is much deeper. The research on it says that it goes in a depth about of a soup can. That's quite deep when we're talking about the muscle fibers in the lower back. So this is great for the patient that's had chronic low back pain, chronic neck pain, chronic upper back pain. We're treating patients with chronic knee pain. So we've gotten some really good results. And if you're wondering if you're a good candidate, then we do what I call discovery sessions. During the discovery session, you come in and you actually have a one-to-one with me. We schedule for about 20 to 30 minutes, and we talk about where the pain is, how long it's been going on. Many of you are already patients of ours, so we already know some of the answers to the questions that I'm going to be asking. And we use this, we map out the area of pain, and then with the soft wave therapy head, we actually put it in the area of pain, and we want you to feel and give us some feedback as to how tender those areas are. We're trying to decrease tenderness. So afterwards, we'll check back in and we'll say, okay, so before you told me you couldn't bend as far, let's check how far forward you're able to flex now. We want to be able to see a reduction in pain and hopefully be able to see increased range of motion. And that's when by determining how well you did after the first session, we can determine if you're going to be a good candidate for the Softwave therapy moving forward. We're one of the very few clinics in the area with the Softwave therapy. There's other clinics that have something similar, but this is the OrthoGold Softwave therapy. And again, the penetration of it into those muscle tissues are much deeper than other similar machines. So if you have more questions, please give us a call at the office and let's set up a discovery session for you. And let's find out together if perhaps we can keep you away from invasive procedures such as injections or even prevent surgery. Thanks for watching Wellness on Wednesday, our WOW, and I hope that you've learned something. See you soon.